These are two of the best Jumeirah Island properties available right now. They both are the same price, they both look the same, and they're both the same square footage, but there's one slight difference. Let's go and have a look. The biggest difference of the two properties is the garden. This one has a beautiful lake view, and the other one has a beautiful private garden. The great thing about these two properties is that they're brand new. They've never been lived in, and they both come fully furnished. Both properties offer 4 really good sized bedrooms, a maid's room, a family room, and a stunning open plan living area. If you'd like more information on any of these two properties, then please reach out to me on the details provided.